Today we will practice our listening and speaking skills. Today our conversation at the airport.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's not. You can sit here.
Thanks. Are you waiting for a flight?
Yes, I'm waiting for the flight to New York. How about you?
Same here. I'm flying to New York too. What a coincidence.
That's great. Are you traveling for business or pleasure?
It's a bit of both. I'm visiting some friends and attending a conference. What about you?
I'm going for a vacation. I've always wanted to see New York. I have heard a lot about the museums and the parks. Do you have any recommendations?
Definitely visit Central Park and the Metropolitan Museum of Art. And don't miss Times Squares at night, it's amazing.
That sounds exciting. I can't wait. Have you been to New York before?
Yes, a few times. I love exploring new places and trying different foods.
Me too. I'm really looking forward to try some New York style pizza.
You'll love it. There are so many great pizza places. If you need any tips or help, feel free to ask.
Thank you. That's very kind of you. By the way, I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. It's always nice to make new friends while traveling.
Absolutely, it makes the journey more enjoyable. Looks like they are starting to board. Shall we?
Yes, let's go. Safe travels, Jack.
Safe travels. See you on the plane.